Welcome to my channel. Let's dive in, and I will show you how to make French fries healthy. What? Healthy French fries? Is there actually such a thing? Well, I am here to say yes, but there is a trick to it. It takes a few changes. These changes are not only beneficial, but also easy to implement. The main players in this recipe is an air fryer and good quality ingredients. Here is what you will need. I will also list the ingredients in the description for you. 2 to 3 organic russet potatoes. Try to get the longest ones you can find. They make those fun long French fries. 1 to 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil. Or you can also use non-virgin olive oil. No seed oils here. Good quality salt and pepper, like Himalayan salt and organic pepper. Any other good quality organic seasoning that you like. All optional. Garlic and onion powder, or anything you love. Incorporating organic foods into every meal boosts both the quality and health benefits of your diet. Using good quality oils helps even more. Avoid seed oils, as it is said that they can harm your health. Using an air fryer is the most important part in this recipe for one good reason. It will cook the fries fast and clean, and without dropping them into an unhealthy saturating oil bath. Follow along, and I will show you how easy it is to make your own healthy French fries at home. Cut the potatoes into French fries, either with a knife or a fry cutter. Once your fries are cut, put them in an ice water bath for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Remove the fries from the water. Pat dry with a dish towel or paper towels. Place in the air fryer at 400 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. Toss and cook another 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how well you want them done. Soft or crispy. Keep an eye on them at this point, as they will cook fast. Then take them out. Let them cool a bit. Now, all that's left to do is enjoy. Keep life kindly simple. Subscribe so you don't miss a thing. With all that said, be sure to give a thumbs up and smile like a fry. Bye for now. See you in the next video.